So far we've learned many data types, but this time we're going to be talking about constants. Now constants is very similar to variables in the sense that variables vary but constant remains the same, okay? And we're going to keep it very short. Now to assign a constant, let's first of all assign a variable so you understand what I'm talking about. Now you can do your savers, but I've done my savers and save as constant.php. So let's assign a variable called var1 and assign it to, let's say, 280. Now you can decide to increase your var1 by saying var1 plus equals 3, and then you echo var1. I think this makes sense. We've done this before, so it's obvious. Now let's refresh and see you have 283, right? Now while defining a constant, you don't use the $sign, okay? You use a function called define, and the define function have two arguments inside the bracket. Now the first argument is the constant you are defining. Now in our case we are defining width, and followed by the value given by the constant, in this case 280. So if we echo width, we're going to have 280. Simple. So now the constants don't carry a $sign, and it's always caps lock, I mean capital letters, no small letters, okay? So you define your constants with capital letters and then value of the constant. So that is the way to define constants. You can change them. They are not variables, they can't vary, they are what they are, okay? So that is for constant. So in our next video we're going to be talking about logical statement, the if else, you know, and then we'll talk about loops, and we'll see how we can apply some of this in our everyday PHP programming. But for now, thank you for watching.